Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question.
Victoria has a question. Victoria says, Madam Pamita, what would be a good spell to win an apartment for a lottery? Thanks a lot for your suggestion. Oh, so many good suggestions on this one. So lottery work is luck work. So we got our luck spell coming up tomorrow. I mean, that would be a fantastic one to bring into this. So easy to do and to improve your chances. So when we talk about luck, what we're talking about is taking, a risky situation and tipping things in your favor. So there's no guarantee with luck that you're going to win 100% of the time. It's not the way luck works. Nobody wins 100% of the time. I mean, even super lucky people don't win 100% of the time. But we want to tip things so that instead of being 50-50 or worse than 50-50 odds, that we have better than 50-50 odds at something, and that we actually have more luck than we have bad luck, more good luck than bad luck. So working with lucky things is a great thing to do. You might have talismans like four-leaf clover, which is our theme for the next spell, four-leaf clovers everywhere, which is about bringing in this unusual, right? To think about four-leaf clovers. Four-leaf clovers are special, rare, and unusual, and that's what makes them lucky, right? Anything that you can bring in as a talisman for luck is going to be helping you. And so you could bring in a horseshoe, you could bring in a four-leaf clover, you could work with good luck oil. If you're doing this entry to win this apartment in the lottery, right, then you might want to put good luck oil on your hands before you fill in the form. That could be a good way, or dress a candle with good luck oil. Simple, easy ways that you can do that. Another way, if you're, this is a sort of gambling, it's a lottery, you're spending money to hopefully win something, is to make chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is about bringing in money and luck. So make some chamomile tea, let it cool down, and then wash your hands with that infusion and that water, and you have a beautiful, beautiful way to bring luck into your hands. You can add that water to a bath too, and bring luck into your life. Those are all beautiful ways to work. So you can work with yellow, which is the color of luck. You can wear yellow. You can bring in these lucky talismans, as we mentioned before. We can also bring in things like working with good luck oil, which is such an easy way to work. So all great ways to work. All little things that you can do before you put your entry in. So very nice.